He runs a family HVAC service company, and Jim was getting way too many calls in his business. In fact, he couldn't handle it. There was just a bottleneck. These calls and potentially make a lot more money from his business. To support all of these, was no way. The only way he could do it was just to hire more expensive people, which would be a lot of money. But luckily, we do it. And what do we do? So you might be thinking, what did you do to double his bookings and convert all these calls? A person, it would note down what they need and then alert the service repairman in the area. The AI would send an SB live transfer to them. A couple days after implementing